Hello and welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY video. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul to show you all, and let's start off with this adorable cat grocery bag. Oh my goodness, when I saw this, my heart melted. This is the coolest thing on earth to me, and I just fell in love with it. I had to go back, so I am now the proud owner of 3 bags, and I'm using one of them for DIY, which I am super excited about. But I just love this bag, and oh my goodness, I'm so happy that Dollar Tree has this pattern as well. So I decided to try some Dollar Tree fingernail polish, and I did use this on my toes. I haven't tried it on my fingernails just because it always chips on my fingernails no matter what I do. So I did pick this up, and it's working quite well on my toes, and for $1 you can't go wrong. And I believe this is the name of it, Sheer Joy. I picked up this decor frame from Dollar Tree. It says coffee and friends make the perfect blend. It's super cute, but I loved the black frame, and also the size of it is going to work perfectly for this DIY I have in mind. Okay, I caved. I finally picked up one of the checkered light gray patterned baby blankets. These are so soft and adorable, but great for farmhouse decor, for DIYs, and it's actually a pretty good blanket, I think, and a decent size for $1. So I had to pick one up. Oh my goodness, right now Dollar Tree has so many beautiful calendars in for the next year. These are gorgeous. Now, I don't personally use calendars anymore for like their intended use. I don't hang a calendar on my wall or anything. I have my phone, but these pictures are so beautiful I could not pass them up, and there's what it looks like inside if you are interested in the calendar part. But I am thinking of using these pictures for various DIYs. I love that one. Begin each day with a grateful heart. These are just so gorgeous, and that is what the pages look like. Now, I only opened one calendar. I did purchase a couple. So this is what they look like inside. Obviously, the pictures will differ, but here's an example of this one. It's just so pretty. Have courage and be kind. That flower one is so pretty. I love the bicycle. So many really pretty pages to look through. And then on the back of each calendar, it shows you exactly what pictures are going to be in your calendar. And here is one of the other calendars I picked up. This says Wild and Free on the front. So beautiful. Sorry for the glare. Like I said, I didn't open up any of the other calendars I purchased. And here are the images that you get inside of this calendar. Just gorgeous. I can't wait to think of DIYs to use with these images. This one is so inspirational. Follow your dreams. Be bold. Be brave. Be you. Oh my gosh, yes, Dollar Tree. Absolutely love this calendar. And here is my final calendar that I picked up. This one is very themed towards your kitchen. It says family, kitchen, a recipe for life. And here are all of the images that you get in this calendar. These are also so stinking cute. And who knows, maybe I'll do a DIY for my kitchen using these images. I don't know, but I certainly could because they are just so stinking cute. Today's menu, take it or leave it. I love it. So cute. Be creative. Oh, be grateful. Excuse me. Whip it good. Yes, Dollar Tree, thank you so much for making another item that is awesome. The next item I purchased were these planner stickers from Dollar Tree, of course. These are so cool. I am a little late to the planner stickers at Dollar Tree, so I'm not sure if these are new or not. Something tells me they're not, but they are to me, and they are just so stinking cute. I mean, for $1, I'm gonna use these in my workout journal. It's just so much fun and motivational. I also picked up these planner stickers. These are seasonal, which is really cool. There's a lot of variety in this pack. Oh, and by the way, with each pack, you do get 2 sheets of planner stickers. And this is a really great deal for planner stickers. I think there are a lot more at other stores. And yeah, these are so cool because they have arrows and all kinds of fun things. And like I said before, I am going to put these in my workout journal. So I'm super excited to use these as well. And then in the same section at Dollar Tree, the sticker section, I also found these beautiful, mostly purple stickers. They are kind of like a paper sticker. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm sure that's not the technical name. I'm sorry if I get that wrong. But these are so pretty. I feel like they'd work well in a scrapbook or also a planner, or even a journal, like I'm going to use it for. So I did get this pack, and I'm really excited, especially since how a lot of the stickers are blank, so you can customize them however you like. I also picked up some burlap ribbon in the color orange, perfect for the fall. I noticed it looked a little smaller than last year, and when I got it home and compared it to another burlap ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, it is a yard smaller, so just keep that in mind. I mean, you still get 2 yards, but if you need a lot of this, it's probably a good idea to see if Michael's has it and have a coupon on hand, because you might get it for cheaper and more ribbon. And then I picked up these cones. You get 2 small cones, obviously, for $1, so that makes each of them 50 cents. I'm thinking that I might use these in a DIY. I know, shocker, but yeah, I thought that maybe they could be very useful, so I picked these guys up. They also had larger cones, not huge ones, but like medium-sized cones. And then I found the cat pattern in the notepads. Oh my goodness, I have actually already made a DIY using this notepad. It is so stinking cute, and it has magnets on the back. I have noticed that some of their notepads don't, so I mean that's kind of nice that it has that. Alright, my last item is this adorable composition notebook with the cat pattern on it. It is a normal composition notebook, except it has that cat pattern on it. I mean, what else is there to say? It's pretty cool in my opinion. Cats on a notebook? Yes, please. So yeah, I had to purchase that. So this is the end of my haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please feel free to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more like this from me and DIYs and even more, feel free to click on that notification bell to be notified every single time I upload a new video. With that being said, this is Miss Alley Cat DIY signing off. I hope everyone has a wonderfully perfect day, and until next time, bye-bye!